Hello everyone, I am Mr. Zhang from Technology Department of 6D Technology for Hair and Hair Extension. I will introduce you the basic steps for using our product. Let's start to learn how to use it. First, open the hair extension gun with your both hands. The front end is the introducing part. The above is the locking part, and above the locking part the pressure plate. The rear end of the pressure plate is a block. The block is used to control the introducing part. You can push it back with your thumbs. Open the introducing part and put into the 62nd generation hair extension. The C-shape button opening face upwards and the logo face down. Put it into the introducing part. Put out the follow gear. Use your left index finger to put in the gap behind the button, and put your thumb on the front end. Pull out 1/3 of this part. Pulling the left end will make it easy to remove the follow gear. The face with logo face to the pressure plate is stored by us.